Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can withdraw money from Uniswap to your bank account. So first is to swap on Uniswap. So from here, you will see the from, so your token, like for example, UNI. And then for the to section, you're going to be, it depends on you can put here the USDC. So first is you just have to use the Uniswap DApp or the Uniswap tab in your wallet to swap your crypto into a high liquidity asset like USDC or the USD coin or ETH. That are stable coins are generally easier to off ramp. So just a warning that this step incurs network fees or gas. So the slip page and then always confirm the network like Ethereum and Polygon. Step number 2 is to transfer to CEX. So just log in to your centralized exchange like CEX account and then go to the deposit section, and then from there just select the asset that you just acquired, USDC, and the most importantly is select the same network, like for example ERC20 or Polygon. So you used in the Uniswap. So critical note is network mismatch. So for example, sending via Polygon to ERC20 address will result in permanent loss of funds. So you just have to take note on that. Step number 3 rather, which is the phase 2, is to execute transfers. So from here, you just have to copy the CEX deposit address. So go back to your DeFi wallet and select USDC and then tap send and paste the CEX address and confirm the transaction. So this takes the crypto off the chain and into the CEX. Next is to sell on CEX. So once the USDC arrives in your CEX wallet, this can take a few minutes, so just navigate to the trade and convert section and sell the USDC for your local fiat currency. Like for example, the USD or the CAD or even EUR rather. Lastly is the bank transfer or the bank withdrawal. So finally, navigate to the withdraw or cash out section on your CEX and select your bank account as the destination and confirm the fiat amount. So withdrawal times vary, usually 1 to 5 business days. So you just have to confirm the withdrawal, and that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!